what we have today on my workbench is a Spartan 3A development board programmed with the contents of a Williams WPC CPU board, which, by the way, an example of that is here. We have the standard WPC CPU board here. It consists of several chips, a processor, the ROM, the RAM, the ASIC, and various glue logic. And all of that, except for the ROM, has been programmed into this FPGA. The ROM itself is separate still, a discrete traditional ROM. I'm moving the logic analyzer pods aside to show the ROM. It's just a standard WPC ROM that this uses. So in here is all the parts I just said: the CPU chip, the RAM, the ASIC, the glue logic, all that talks to the ROM chip and runs WPC code. If I hit a reset, after a few seconds, the flashing light indicates good boot. The light next to it is the blanking LED. So those two LEDs emulate two of the three that are on the WPC CPU board. The third one is just a power light. And so in the future, this will be put into another board, and all the other connectors will be represented at that point. But this is the core, showing that the core boots up and runs standard code.